Hello guys, welcome to my channel, my trip advisors. Today I'm going to share you the simple steps and basic tips to complete a PNR without wasting much time. Very quick. So let's go to the availability of the 10th May Heathrow to Dubai. If you're searching for direct .D, if there is a specific airline /EK or whatever airline it is. So now you can see the whole list of Emirates Airlines availability. If you are aware that how to get the lower seats availability, you should know that's a Tango class. There are lower class as well, so we are taking Tango, which will be valid. So on the left panel you can see the result. What you're tapping, you can see the results on the left panel. So let's just quickly read it. It's Emirates flight number 8 Tango class, 10th May, Heathrow, Dubai, have sold 2 seats. 9:05 a.m. departure, 19:10 arrival. E means electronic ticketing. W is a Wednesday, which is a day. Sometimes you come across to any low-cost airline where you will not find E. That means you have to check again if the electronic tickets are available or not. So this is our return availability. Now we're going to check the return flight, 25th May. Let's check the fare now. Here we go. So this is the fare display, you can see, and this is the total fare, 1166.68 and 583. This is the fare for each passenger. Now let's go to the names. Gray, surname / Cook, first name Mr. is the title, enter. Gray, surname, first name Tim, Master is the title. Steric P-C06. You should know the child's age ranges between 2 to 12 years old, so whatever the age is, you can type the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 12. So it's infant. I Gray / Kim, master title. Steric, whatever the date of birth is, just simply in this format you can enter the date of birth and enter. Now we have entered the name of 3 passengers displaying on the left panel. Let me tell you, if you have made a mistake in the name, you simply do N.P1, P2 or P3, whatever segment it is. We can see that the adult's name, which was on P1, the passenger 1, is deleted. If you type the key Control up, that will recall your entries. So I did Control up, enter, and I found Mr. Cook Gray again, and just enter. So T.T is our ticketing display. For now you just need to learn it's T.T display asterisk. P is a phone fill, P.T. It's a telephone. If it's a business, it's B. If it's home, it should be H. R.Fs is a agent initial. It could be anything, 2-letter, whatever you decide. ER means end receive. IR is ignore receive, which is important to complete the PNR. When you do ER and IR, the PNR is completed. You can see the services it's providing. 3L62W4. This is the Galileo, the GDS PNR. And if you want to check the airline's PNR, you click simply steric VL CUFH2S. It's the airline's PNR. On SI you can see the infant details. If there's any further requests we have not entered yet, you will find in SI. If you need to command for a seat display, you will simply click on class. It will not show on my recorder, but this is how you do. It's a very simple step. You will easily find out when you click on class. Now let me show you something more. EK Heathrow Dubai 25 kilogram is the package for each passenger, and now it's giving me the fare category. The breakdown: 432 for a child, infant is 80.84, and the adult is 583.34. Now let's go to the display. This is called the fare basis. It is important to note that whenever you are calculating the difference or penalties, you should consider the most restricted class of service. If you had a fare for Bravo or Tango class, you should have taken the Tango class, because Tango is usually the most restricted. Now we are looking for the paragraph 16, where you can find the penalties for changes and refunds. You can see the changes: anytime, charge £100. You can read the whole paragraph for understanding. There are more informations written. For deep understanding, you will find out it's a cancellation, which is £200. In case of voluntary, refund, involuntary, the death of passenger, all the terms and conditions are written. There are total 18 paragraphs you will find out. So you need to learn. You can simply read it and you will find out. For the restrictions, the blackout dates, the advance purchase, everything is mentioned there. So this was a simple step. If you need to learn anything more, you can simply write in comments and I will get back to you on another video. Thank you so much.